Have you believed that real estate investment is for only rich people? What if I told you that you can start real estate with your monthly salary? Will you believe? There are many people in Nigeria think that before you can start real estate investment, you must become a millionaire, hold land for investment, have a house for sale, or making money from property investment. In this video, I will tell you how to start real estate investment with your monthly income. But I just want you to watch this video to the end, because the last one that I'm going to tell you is going to surprise you. And also subscribe to this channel for more real estate investment opportunity as a civil servant. So without wasting your time, let's dive in. Number one, mindset. The first thing you need to do is to change your mindset. A lot of civil servants spend their money on liabilities, something like expensive phone, clothing, attend parties, and any other things that is not increasing in value. But wealth people use part of their salary to buy assets. Real estate is one of the most powerful assets that you can ever have, because the land and property increase over time. Instead of you to continue say you do not earn enough, start say, how do I use what I earn to build a wealth gradually? Because your salary is not the problem, but lack of financial plan is the real problem you have. Number two, start saving for investment. If you want to invest in real estate, you must develop a saving culture. You do not need millions immediately. Start to saving some percentage of the salary that you are earning every month. Even if it is 10%, 20%, or 30%, consistency is very important. For example, if you save 100,000 every month, in a year you already have 1.2 million naira, and this can enough for you to start a journey in real estate. Today, I want to introduce the best way on how to start without any stress. The best thing to do is not just to buy a landed property now when you have such amount. With your 1.2 million naira, you cannot use that money to invest in land first or cash back. You can do this in any part of the world, whether in Nigeria or anywhere. If you can exercise patience to leave that money for 2 years, you will have 74%, and this will give you 2,088,000 naira, and this will be enough for you to start buy property. You know, you cannot start buy house, but you can start buy land. Do you know it's not necessary to focus a development area like Lagos or Abuja? What you just need to do, just look for a city that people are moving to, a particular place in a city that people are moving to. So these are the best places that you can go and buy land for investment. It's not necessary for you to think of Abuja or any other big place for starting. It may be due to the infrastructure that is already there, or due to the future development plan. So once you buy a land for that place, you already start your journey. I can tell you, due to my experience, that a plot of land that you buy, it will build a new house for you, and also buy motor for you, and let you live comfortable as time goes on. A plot of land in Ibeju-Lekki that everybody are talking about today, it was 500,000 per plot in Ibeju-Lekki about 5 years ago. But today, you will never see a plot of land with 8 or 10 million naira in Ibeju-Lekki right now. So what you just need to do is not necessary in Lagos or Abuja. You can go to any small village or a town that, you know, some people are going there. It may be due to infrastructures or future development plan. Just go buy the land there and leave it for 2 or 3 years. At least if you can have a percent enough, you can leave it for 4 or 5 years. You see that that money is going to increase beyond your expectations. You will see some of the civil servants, you know, working in one city for more than 10 years or 15 years without buying any plot of land. It is very wrong. What you just need to do, don't just stay for a place without achieve anything from there. If you are posting to somewhere, the first target on your plan is that what can you do to give you money, silent money in that particular place. By the time you buy a plot of land in that particular place, if they post you to another place, you can go and buy there again. So this can be enough for you to survive for life without waiting for gratitude or a pension. This is the best way to go if you are serious about real estate investment. Number three, start small. One of the big mistake a lot of people are making is that until they have a lot of money before they buy a landed property. It's not necessary to wait until you have big money before you buy landed property. You see people working in Lagos, they are targeting to buy a land in Lagos Island, or you see people that are working in Abuja to buy property in Abuja city center. This will not work out. By the time you get the money, you have another plan. So you can start small. It's going to help you a lot. Those are smart investors that make a lot of money cashing out every day in real estate today. Then starting small. They don't starting from high level. I give you example of Ibeju-Lekki. In 5 or 10 years ago, nobody know Ibeju-Lekki, but today Ibeju-Lekki is a global known because of the big infrastructure that is already there. So this is how people's making money. Can you see somebody invest a landed property with 500,000 in 5 years, but they are now making 15-20 millions today? That is real estate for you. Number 4, avoid bad debt. Most of the challenge that a lot of civil servants or salary earners have is to hold unnecessary debt, and this can draw you down. It will not allow you to have a focus to invest in something that is going to benefit you in the future. You need to stop borrowing money for something that will lose value quick. Good investment creates freedom, while the bad spending creates pressures. So you need to understand this and go for the good one for yourself. It's not that until you retire and depend on pensions and gratitude, by the time you get to that age, that money may not be enough for you. So you need to plan when you are still active in the service and start to do something for yourself and for your children. So it is very important for you. Number 5, think long-term investment. Real estate is not get rich quick scheme. The more you leave your land in a prime locations, the more your money is continuing to appreciate. So you need to exercise patience for minimum of at least 3 years to 5 years before you can think of resell such a land and make your money. So this is how it is. But if you are someone that you want to invest today, in next 1 or 2 months you want to make your money, it may not go far in real estate investment. Hardly before you see any millionaire or billionaire in Nigeria that don't invest in real estate, because this is a backbone of the success of a lot of billionaires right now in Nigeria. They used to sell their property and make a lot of money for their investment or whatever business that they are doing. I hope you gain something in this video, because what I told you is just a simple way to start your journey in real estate and becoming somebody within a short period of time. You just need to devote just 1 year for saving and get this money and invest in real estate. Can you imagine you invest something like 10 million or 5 million and leave it for 1 or 2 years? Do you know how much you are going to make later, and buy a landed property for yourself? If you want to invest in land first or cashback, what you just need to do, you will see my number in the descriptions of this video. Just contact me. I'm going to guide you on how to invest successfully and start to cashing out as at well deal. This is the best way to go. Don't rush to buy land immediately. No, don't ever do that. First invest in the real estate first, make your money, and the next things you can now buy land and buy house as case may be. A lot of people starting from first invest, later buy land, and when they start making money, they elevate to buy house. And a lot of them is already millionaires or even billionaires in Nigeria today. Whatever any amount they pay you as a salary, that can never be enough. Even they increase salary, once you don't collect like 2 or 3 months, you see that money will never do you again. So you need to invest in something that at least when you need money, you can fall back and resell and make your profit. So that is why a lot of you are making money in real estate. If you want to buy land in a cheap place in Ibadan, Lagos, Ogun State, Abuja, or any state capital in Nigeria, you can also contact me. I'm going to recommend the best place, the affordable land that has a good land title. And also, if you want to invest in land first on cashback, you can also contact me. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more real estate investment opportunity for civil servants or for anyone that want to make money within a short period of time in Nigeria. Thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.